Did you accidentally delete a file or type the wrong text? Don't worry, macOS has built-in undo and redo features to save the day. In today's video, we'll show you how to use them, along with Setapp apps that can take it further. To undo with the keyboard, press Command+Z. To undo from the menu bar, click Edit in the app you're using and select Undo. You can press it multiple times to go back further. For added efficiency, BetterTouchTool from Setapp lets you create custom shortcuts, mouse gestures, and touch bar widgets to automate and simplify tasks. Did you accidentally type a whole paragraph in all caps? No problem. Right-click the text, choose Transformations, and select lowercase, capitalized, or proper case. To notes, use Command+Z or select Undo Typing from the Edit menu. To redo, press Command+Shift+Z or choose Redo Typing from the menu. Craft offers advanced editing with Markdown, backlinks, code snippets, and multimedia. To restore an earlier version, click the eye icon, select View Backups, and choose a version. In the Preview app, you can undo changes to images or PDFs. Simply open the file in Preview and go to the File menu. Select Revert to and choose Previous Save. To go further back, choose Browse All Versions and click Restore. The Undo feature works in Mac's Photos app too. To undo an edit, go to the Edit menu and select Undo. To undo all changes at once, click Edit while editing and select Undo. If you accidentally deleted a file, press Command+Z to undo it. For emptied trash or other changes, use Time Machine to restore older versions by setting up a backup disk and enabling backup automatically. If you didn't set up Time Machine, use tools like Disk Drill, ChronoSync Express, or CleanMyMacX from Setapp to recover files, backup data, or securely erase files. Disk Drill recovers lost data from your hard drive. ChronoSync Express backs up, syncs, and schedules data between devices. And CleanMyMac securely deletes files using the Remove Securely option. All these tools are available with the Setapp subscription and a 7-day free trial. Start your trial today to undo changes, manage files, and boost productivity. What's the biggest mistake you've undone on your Mac? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.